Let's make a musician or band site that connects you with your fans, shares music, display tour dates, and more. When adding new music to your site, click Edit. Then click Add Block. You can let your visitors play or download a single track from your site using Audio Block. Additionally, you can use the SoundCloud block to embed songs directly onto your page. You can also share your music videos using video blocks, importing your videos directly to Squarespace or hosted by a third-party site like YouTube or Vimeo. You can sell t-shirts, albums, or digital posters to your fans using the Commerce feature. When announcing upcoming shows, tours, and more, click the Events page and create a detailed list of the event or display your events as a calendar. Once you have created your events page, you can showcase the dates using a summary block or calendar block on another page of your site. Use the Bands in Town block to display tours, festivals, or live stream dates from your Bands in Town profile. You can connect with your fans by adding social media accounts using the Social Links block. With Fluid Engine, you can now move, resize, and layer the blocks, giving you the tools to add depth to your site. Once you edit the page to your liking, click Save. Let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.